Smart shopping tips. How to save money as a student. Being a student often means living on a tight budget, but that doesn't mean you have to miss out on the things you enjoy. By learning a few smart shopping strategies, you can stretch your dollars, manage your expenses, and still live a fulfilling student life. Whether it's saving on groceries, fashion, or tech gadgets, these tips will empower you to take control of your finances. Let's dive into the practical steps you can take to save money while shopping smarter. Budget planning basics. One of the most crucial aspects of saving money is understanding where it goes. Start by setting up a monthly budget that accounts for all your income sources, including part-time jobs, allowance, or financial aid. Break down your expenses into categories such as rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Using tools like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet can help you monitor your spending. These tools allow you to set specific limits for each category and send alerts if you're close to overspending. Remember to include savings in your budget. It's always wise to put aside a small portion of your income for emergencies or future goals. If budgeting feels overwhelming, start small. Focus on tracking your spending for a week or two to understand your habits. This will give you a clear picture of where you can cut back, such as reducing frequent takeout meals or skipping unnecessary subscriptions. The art of price comparison. One of the easiest ways to save money is by comparing prices before making a purchase. Thanks to technology, this process is more convenient than ever. Apps like Honey and Rakuten automatically scan for the best deals or cashback offers on products you're shopping for online. Before heading to a store or completing a checkout online, take a few minutes to research alternative retailers or wait for sales. Student discounts are another incredible way to save. Many brands, services, and retailers offer reduced prices for students, ranging from tech products and clothing to software and streaming subscriptions. For example, platforms like Unidays and Student Beans aggregate student-specific deals in one place, making it easier to access exclusive discounts. When shopping for larger items like laptops, consider refurbished or open box options, which often provide the same quality at a much lower price. Also, don't hesitate to negotiate. Some stores may offer a price match if you find a better deal elsewhere. Timing your purchases. The timing of your purchases can significantly affect how much you spend. Shopping during major sales events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or Prime Day can yield significant discounts on electronics, fashion, and household items. Keep an eye out for back-to-school sales, which are ideal for stocking up on supplies and essentials. Grocery shopping also has its own timing hacks. Stores often mark down perishable items like baked goods, meat, and produce near closing time, or at the end of the day. By shopping during these periods, you can snag items at a fraction of the regular price. For non-perishables, buying in bulk during sales is a smart strategy that reduces your overall cost per unit. If you're planning to make big purchases, wait for the end-of-season sales when retailers clear out inventory to make room for new arrivals. This is especially useful for clothing and outdoor gear. Embracing thrift and secondhand shopping. Secondhand shopping is an excellent way to save money and find unique items. Thrift stores often have affordable clothing, furniture, and even small appliances that are in great condition. Online platforms like eBay, Facebook, Marketplace, and Craigslist offer a wide range of secondhand products, from electronics to home decor, at significantly reduced prices. For fashion lovers, apps like Depop, Poshmark, and ThredUp provide access to stylish, gently used clothing. These platforms allow you to score high-quality brands without breaking the bank. Many sellers are also open to negotiation, giving you even more room to save. On campus, consider swapping items with your peers. Whether it's textbooks, kitchen appliances, or winter clothing, trading within your student community is an effective way to save money while reducing waste. Meal planning and smart grocery shopping. Food is a major expense for students, but careful planning can significantly lower costs. Start by planning your meals for the week. This ensures you buy only what you need and reduces the likelihood of impulse purchases. Cooking at home is far more cost-effective than eating out, and it's often healthier too. Take advantage of grocery store loyalty programs, which offer exclusive discounts, points, and rewards. Apps like Flip and Grocery Pal can help you find weekly deals and coupons for your local stores. For bulk shopping, stores like Costco or Sam's Club provide great value, especially for non-perishable items. If you're short on time, meal prepping can save both money and effort. Cook large batches of food and store individual portions in reusable containers for the week ahead. This minimizes food waste and reduces the temptation to order takeout. Leveraging technology for savings, your smartphone can be your best ally in saving money. Cashback apps like Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, and Shopkick allow you to earn rewards on everyday purchases. Browser extensions like Honey and Capital One. Shopping can find and apply discount codes automatically, ensuring you never pay full price. Many banks and budgeting apps also offer roundup features that save the spare change from your transactions. For example, if you spend $9.25, the app rounds it up to $10 and transfers the extra 75 cents into a savings account. Over time, these small amounts add up. Additionally, sign up for store newsletters or apps that send notifications about exclusive discounts. While it's easy to overlook these emails, they often include promotions that can save you money on items you were planning to buy anyway. Avoiding impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can quickly derail your budget, but there are ways to resist temptation. One effective strategy is the 24-hour rule. If you see something you want, wait a full day before deciding to buy it. This pause gives you time to evaluate whether the purchase is necessary or just an emotional reaction. Making a shopping list and sticking to it is another simple yet powerful habit. This applies not only to grocery shopping, but also to clothing and other essentials. When shopping online, avoid browsing categories outside what you need, as they can lead to unplanned spending. Be cautious of marketing strategies like limited time offers, buy one, get one free deals, or flashy advertisements. These are designed to create urgency and encourage you to spend more. Recognizing these tactics can help you shop with a clear mind. Extra savings hacks for students. Being a student comes with many perks, so make the most of them. Always carry your student ID, as many restaurants, movie theaters, and stores offer exclusive discounts. Platforms like Uniday's compile deals specifically for students, making it easy to find savings on fashion, tech, and more. Join loyalty programs and take advantage of free resources provided by your school. Many campuses offer free access to software, ebooks, gym memberships, and even transportation discounts. These benefits can save you hundreds of dollars annually. When shopping online, consider free shipping options or combining orders with friends to split delivery costs. Little savings like these add up over time and make a big difference in your overall budget. Saving money as a student doesn't have to be complicated. By following these smart shopping tips, you can manage your finances effectively while still enjoying life. Remember, every small saving contributes to your larger financial goals. What's your favorite way to save money as a student? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips on living your best student life without breaking the bank. See you in the next video.